Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to do a Dollar Tree DIY, and it's going to be just with one of these. This one says bless your heart, but you know what, we're just going to flip it over and we're going to use this side on the inside, and we're going to make the cutest little cork board. And I think it's probably some pieces that a lot of you guys have if you're being quarantined right now, and that is all of the extra wine corks. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got my glue gun going. What else do I have? I do have some little, see, I always forget what they are. What is it? What do they call them? Mini clips. Little laundry clips. But they're little teeny tiny. I also have some twine from the Dollar Tree. And you could use E6000 if you want to, but I'm just going to use a hot glue gun. And then I am going to use some white acrylic paint and some brown acrylic paint. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to take a little bit of that white acrylic paint. And now that I'm thinking of it, I probably could have used my acrylic markers, which I haven't used in forever. But I'm only needing a little bit, so, and that is just to whiten these edges up here. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'm just going to do all the way around, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got most of it done. I left this side, and I was going to use some of the brown to darken it up, but I actually thought I'd use that lighter little color. So I'm just sticking this on here like that, and then kind of rubbing it on the inside, but not all the way down because the cork part is going to cover it up. So I'm kind of trying to make this a little bit farmhousey. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I've got some Scrabble tiles here. Okay. So I've taken those Scrabble tiles, and I'm just going to put a little bit on here as well and lighten them up. With just the leftover paint that's on here. And I'm not really going into the letter area because I don't want the letter to get filled in. Woo! I'm not really worried about the other areas, but you're going to get a little messy, and you can get the sides as well. And as you can see, I'm just using the paint that's already on there. Nothing really more than that. Okay, I think that is where we're good on that. And let's go ahead and get started on the rest of it. Oh, I will also take some of these. Let's see, 1, 2. Maybe 6 just in case, but we'll see how that goes. And I'm just going to do the same here. Just a little bit here and there. Only on one side, because that's all you're going to see. Oh, I like this side a little bit better. That one was a little mangled there. So tell me how you guys are spending your day. Have you done any crafts? After I'm done uploading this one, I'm going to go ahead and look at all of my comments and try and respond back to them. So, okay, this is what we've got. I haven't done anything else. The sides were already white, but if you get one that's not, just paint it whatever color you'd like. And then now what we're going to do is I got my hot glue gun, and we're going to start putting these in here. And this is what I'm going to do. We're going to put one, and put another, and we're just going to alternate these. Just like that. So this will be a really quick craft. Make sure it fits in there. And if you have some like that, just make sure that that's the part that's not showing. That's easy enough. Just like that. Then we're going to rotate it. So again, since this one's going that way, we're going to put this one in this way. And I'm just doing them backwards, forward, whatever the way they work. Actually, I'm going to turn this one upside down because this side is a little bit thicker. So that's the kind of stuff, if you're paying attention at all, just do it like that. And we're going to go long ways here on this one. And the same here. Just back and forth. And again, I'm not going to fast forward this because I can talk to you while we're doing it. It's going to be a quick and easy craft. Like, we're almost done. And now we're going to go the opposite again. We're going to go on here. Another one here. Now we're back to those again. And then we're going to add our last two in here. I'm just going to find a nice fat one there. And there we go. Look at that. We've got our own little cork board. And if you want, you can still use that. But we're going to go ahead and add a few little items. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this part here. We've got the N-O-T-E-S. We know that the T is in the middle. So we're just going to put that T right here in the middle. And then, oh, I was going to put it right on there, but I don't know exactly where it goes. I'm just going to put however much space I want in between. Oh, I keep wanting to put it on the tile. And then just make sure you have it. And you don't have to have it perfectly straight if you don't want to. Or you could have it perfectly straight, whatever you'd like. And then, how many times am I going to try and do that? I guess this is the last one, so it should be good. All right, there we go. Now we've got our little notes holder there. Clean off any little extra spider webs. I think you can hit it with a what is it called? Hair dryer. And then I'm also going to add some little doodads here. And be really careful. I'll put one there. And another one right there. I mean, that's not a very long note, but that's okay. You could put just 2 if you'd like. However you'd like. And then there we go. So now we can push these up and put our little notes right in there. Okay, now it can sit if you'd like, or we can make a little hanger for it. So let me go ahead and make a little hanger. And all we're going to do, really, is just hot glue from here. Okay. Or you could put a hanger. Some people use bottle caps. I've heard that, the little pull tabs. Some people use, gosh, I can't think of anything right now, can I? Some people use, forget it, I don't know. You know what we're going to do? We're just going to put one little one right here. I'm just going to make it easy. Paper clips. I told you I could never think of those names. I'm just going to tie it right down there and put it right in the middle. And I'm going to put enough. And I'm going to put that right down on there. And then I'm going to put some more over the top to really keep that in place. So, and don't worry about that little heart being on there. You can take it off if you want. You can paint this if you want, whatever you'd like. But I'm going to set this aside because now I want to show you how to make a little push pin. So you've got the little push pin here. I don't know if you could see that. And it's cute enough, just being a push pin. But we can take, I'm going to get rid of that piece right there. Take these little guys. And this is from the Dollar Tree in the automotive department. You just take it and wrap it around a few times. Okay? Then you're going to pull out your finger. And you are going to squeeze it in the middle there. And then wrap this around there a few times. Until you have this pretty bow. So you're going to hold on to that. Put some glue down. And then take that glue and hold it in like this. And then it will dry. And once it dries, let me cut that off. I'll show you a dry one already. Once it dries, you're going to get something like this. And it's all dried. You see there? Now, we're just going to take, where's that? And we're going to take this guy and put some on there. Put a little bit of hot glue right on there. And then hot glue that to there. And we have a cute little push pin that's going to look so adorable in there. And then if you wanted to and have it have a tie, you could do the same. Just put a little tie and wrap it around. See there? Super cute. I'll tie one more time. There we go. Now that we've got that, I think this is good. That's good there. You've got your notes, you got your little push pin, and you can put it anywhere you want. It can go right here when it's not in use, or when it is in use. You just stick it right there. How cute is that? I'm gonna move it for the time being so I could show you. You can also take your little pins and have a nice little pin holder, and so you wouldn't put notes in there. You could put pins or whatever you'd like. I mean, this is just Scrabble tiles from an old Scrabble game. So, alright, you guys, I hope you like it. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more DIYs. I think this is adorable and will definitely be hanging here in my craft room. Alrighty, I will talk to you later. Bye!